Automate and digitize your sales processes with Books365 All-in-One Advanced ERP. Today, we'll explore how Books365 Advanced ERP simplifies your sales management. First, let's discuss customer profiles. Books365 provides comprehensive customer profile management. These include primary details, addresses, GIS, contacts, shipping addresses, customer-specific catalogs, credit controls, credit approvals, customer documents, and more. Next is customer contract management. This tracks and manages all aspects of sales contracts efficiently. It ensures you never miss the documents, controls, service delivery, customer KYC, and contract renewals. Now, we dive into customer relationship management. This enables better interactions with your customers. Process sales leads to quote-to-order seamlessly and prospect-to-customer approval workflow. Books365 Advanced ERP enhances the pre-sales process. Sales leads to customer onboarding and to sales quote-to-order. Books365 helps you manage every sales workflow effortlessly. Create quotes quickly and accurately. Make quotes to order, order to product work order, and/or order to invoice to cash. Moving on to the sales workflow, it streamlines your operations. Each step is automated for efficiency and ease. After a quote is accepted, it transitions to order, production work order, invoice, receipt, and delivery processes. All transactions are recorded seamlessly as per your company's configured sales process workflow. Books365 seamlessly manages your sales returns process. The sales return acceptance automation feature validates and simplifies processing returns. Additionally, you can manage products and services easily. Categorize and track everything in one platform. Let's not forget the customer portal. Customers can register online, request quotes, receive automated quotes instantly, generate orders online anytime, receive sales invoices, make payments, track shipment, and confirm goods receipts. This enhances customer experience and retention. Finally, we address customer support. Books365 ensures quick resolutions for issues through integrated support portal. Satisfied customers are likely to return. In summary, Books365 Advanced ERP revolutionizes your sales management. It centralizes customer information and streamlines your sales processes and workflow. Ready to elevate your sales management? Visit our website and contact us today at start@books365in.